was confirmed to be.
It's time now for our bite of the week.
Sorry,
and
it's such a bizarre story.
I know, but it's bite of the week time, and it comes from retired Justice Seymour Panton, one of the integrity commissioners.
Now, Justice Panton was speaking at a press conference on Monday when he made an impassioned call for changes to be made to the Integrity Act to allow commissioners to comment on investigations before they have been completed. Here's our bite of the week.
Bite of the week.
We feel at the moment that we are trapped by the legislation in that it does not allow us to say anything. And at the same time, freedom of the press is such that the media say anything and everything, including falsehoods, which we cannot even try to respond to if we are to disclose matters relating to investigations.
Bite of the week.